Edo State government don lock Divine Providence School for out the street along Palace Road, Uteh community for Upper Mission Extension, Ikpobaoka local government area of Edo State, sake of say the owner of the school buy road and come still build on top road to add to the school. Informate reached the Commissioner for Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development about the illegal building after person from the community call her phone and come still send video evidence.
Abeg, we are calling on the authorities to come to our aid. This is a street, Uteh. This is Uteh. This is off Palace Road in Uteh. This is a street. Look at one street. This is a lane adjoining to another street. They are building because the man has money. This is his land. He's the one that owns this school. This is his own land. See, they are fencing the streets. Divine Providence want to kill us in this street because he has money. They are building on the road. They are building on the road. Look at road. Look at road. He's fencing from this place, cutting off this lane. He said he has money. See, they are digging foundation right now. Look at it. Look at foundation.
Now this one come make Honorable Isoke Omo carry waka with members of the enforcement team from the ministry go do check for the area and them come discover say the matter na true. Some people for the street come talk to our authority people say them report the matter give community. The community talk say them get right to set any land may they won't sell.
Abeg, what be this community name?
Uteh community.
So what did they happen here? When they say and say that they block this road and who they block them?
We come out yesterday, now we see say that they lay foundation here. Say Divine Providence don't buy this street. The community said the street join this other land given. So he decided to block everywhere and add it to his school.
Why?
He will be the best person to explain why, but to us that is looking at it, he feels that he can buy it, and since the community sold it for him, he decided to pay.
Okay, this kind of matter now, as community people can't come out now, the people in charge of the community, wait till they can't talk when I reach them. I not reach them at all to even reach, wait, tell them, say, wait till the Providence Divine they do by blocking the road and the streets.
When I came yesterday, I met one of them. He said that their community, they have right to sell wherever they want to sell.
When they begin, they block this road, they block the streets. How not they reach the community people? We be say then, and they sell land for now to occupy this area.
Okay, when we come out, we hear say people they work for the streets, they dig foundation. So my husband called the chairman for the area. In talk say, in go send people come look am. Now so we can't come out, everybody can come out, they try on our own before people go come, make we see if we go feel stop them. Now so they come begin insult us. So at the end, the community, they can't tell and make it stop. When they see say katakata don't dey ground, they can't say make they leave work, make they stop work, so they can't come out. They can't reinforce, come back with talks, say they go must work. That yesterday say they must dig this foundation, they must build them. They come with a person from Palace, saying a secretary to the palace. The Nogi Palace say now their land, now they get right to build, to do any way they like. So now so we can't say okay, no problem. Since the people we suppose help us protect our own right because this one environmental hazard. Say we no fit talk. We can't say okay, we go people we pass them. Now so we can't cry to the media, begin do video, tell people Governor Baseki make he come to our aid. God being so kind to us today, they don't already come.
Okay, this road where they be the block, so motor and leg they pass them.
Motor they pass and leg they pass and here where would they pass they go walk.
So it is accessible before.
Very accessible.
So if you want just block and claim a journey property.
Yes, now this road not even good. This one so when them the first us pass so not even good.
What is the name of this street?
This street now off street 18. This one na Udu street. The road when they block so now lane 2 off street 18 for off Palace Road.
Which community be this?
This one na Uteh community.
Commissioner for Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development, Isoke Omo, point out the reason why them lock the school. Isoke Omo when thank the people for their cooperation, constantly and them make them no fear. Say government did their back and make them report any matter will concern illegal building to the ministry.
Today will be 6th November, Sunday for that matter, in the morning. How you take get the information say Kata did this area?
Okay, thank you. Yesterday, I received phone call from a lady. She tell me say as she dey call me so say that they fence her street. I say for where? She say for Uteh. So I tell her, so okay, I beg, send me the video and the address of the place. Now she say okay, now it's okay, I go send people come.
Okay, now you don't come here on Sunday morning and you don't begin see the area say, wait till they put for ground now the wrong thing where they do for the society. Yes. I beg, how you fit they use here to do example to other areas where we say, they still they do this kind kata kata.
Okay, what you don't find for Benin, be say many places, mostly those places where they don't get layout, where they not plan where. They could just come after they don't sell all the houses, the community will start to sell the streets. And as they start to sell the streets, they go cut people off. As you see this place, so to say this fence continue now, the people they decide don't go feed they pass. They'll get to find another place where they go pass. And this now the two-way governor say no. We say no, we don't want this thing to continue. So we say no to land grab. Whether na street you won't grab, oh. Whether another man land you won't grab, oh. Whether na power line you won't grab, oh. Anything will be land will not belong to you. And where people supposed to use to do correct what you want to take, we not go agree again. We say no to that. Now make we come here today. You don't say na Sunday. All of us, all you see all my staff they here. We come and say no, this cannot happen. Only for us to reach a conference and say the owner of this Divine Providence school, we don't mark am before say he fence there for roads. Make it come out. But the man don't buy this place join. Make it a bigger school. I know if this school no get approval. Opposite no get approval. So we don't seal the school now. Make it bring the approval come. Make it tell us what these people do. Where may say if you say you want to lock them out, make them not fear enter their houses again. If you're there for community, you're supposed to stay for the community with peace and harmony. And if they bring things to the community, what you go help the community, don't be to oppress them. He say na the community boys now sell the land to them. So we won't go meet them. Make they tell us how they fit sell streets. Well, that's now how they want this Edo to be. So we say no. And because of these people, we want to tell you, say, if you now see this for our area, this kind of thing they happen. No fear. Government they ground. No fear. Call us.
The ministry constantly carry waka go another place where they plan to build stores illegally. The enforcement team can sharply use the sand where they put on ground for the building take fill the road. Make una no forget, say, when you see something, say something. The number to green the ministry anytime you see illegal things like this now, 091 28 90 2734 or 081 04 66 36 97. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. No forget your PVC and be your power. Not sell up giving the politician on election day.